It is Friday. Celebrate to all those who do that. But we have rain dealing with it too.
We do, which, listen, through the week, we've had a pretty calm week. Let's talk about how this will impact the day, rain and wind. So if it's garbage day, you might want to wait to put it out until you really have to.
Gusty winds are going to be the bigger concern, right? The rain coming in this morning doesn't even have any lightning with it, but when it's fueled by 45-mile-an-hour winds, even a light rain feels a little bit more aggressive, and you're going to have a lot more people on the roads as kind of the heart of this system rolls through this morning. So as we take a look at the radar right now, this is a 1-hour time lapse, and you can see the rounds of rain kind of drifting in generally from the southwest toward the north and east, and nothing super duper intense, but it's got some decent wind gusts with it. So let's take a look here. We'll start out zooming on in to the 275 loop, where right now we're seeing some light rain over top of downtown, perhaps some heavier rain showers in some of the northern suburbs. You head up toward Reading and areas like Sharonville, seeing some slightly heavier rain. So right there where 275 hits 75, coming down pretty good here in the next couple of minutes. Up 71, some lighter rain showers, and then we'll slide back and take a look toward Indy using the Indianapolis radar site. You can see where that cold front is making its way in. Along this line, we have had some gusts that have measured upwards of 50 miles an hour. So I've seen a couple of isolated severe warnings along that line. Again, well off to our west, but coming our way. And timing wise, this line with the strongest winds will come through as more people are on the roads here in the next few hours. In fact, let's take a look at some of the winds. Right now, current wind gusts in Cincinnati about 34 miles per hour, and that extends all the way back towards Chicago. So we are just getting into some of the stronger winds early this morning. Notice into Kentucky, this is estimating winds at about 40 to 47 miles per hour for gusts. And it's really warm this morning. We're sitting in the 60s. The record high for this date is 64. Right now we're at 62. So there's a decent chance we could meet or beat this record late morning, and then our temperatures are going to fall on the backside of this system into the afternoon. Let's take a look at how all of this plays out. Futurecast showing early this morning, rain moving in, and as we hit 6 and 7 a.m., when more people are on the roads, you can see some of the heavier wind-driven downpours coming through our area. So likely to slow down the early morning rush. After about 9 or 10 a.m., that first batch moves out, but there'll be some straggler showers possible all the way up through probably 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That line right there is actual cold front. So I think we're going to stay warm in the late morning, and then you'll start to see our temperatures fall as we get into the second half of the day. And by the time we get into the evening, we're down into the 40s. So take a look at kind of the graph here of our temperatures. I've got the weather impact symbol here through the morning rush. Our temperatures will be in the low to mid 60s up through about lunchtime, and then the front itself passes us by, and we start to see those temperatures slide in a hurry. So we go from mid 60s at lunchtime into basically the mid 40s by dinner time. So there's a big drop coming for us in the second half of the day. And tomorrow we do it all over again. Now tomorrow morning, I think early on we're dry, but anytime after the sun comes up through about the middle of the afternoon, we'll have the potential for some scattered showers, and our temperatures once again by about mid-afternoon tomorrow start to tank. And this time, much colder air moves in as we head into Sunday morning, cold enough that we're looking at some snow flurries or light snow showers. So let's check it out in the 7-day forecast. For today, weather impact day, morning rain, wind and falling temperatures. On Saturday, expect scattered rain into the early afternoon. Temperatures fall from the 50s down into the 30s. And then as the colder air continues, flurries move in overnight. By Sunday morning, we're looking at some flurries and light snow showers. The pavement will be fine. It's been incredibly warm recently. The pavement stays wet, but know that it might stick to the grass. You might see a little bit sticking to the car. We'll be in the 20s most of the day, feeling like the teens. So a harsh switch from today to Sunday. And then next week, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. But I think by next weekend, we're really feeling winter with a big comeback. All right, so this morning, 65 and raining, Adam. What, do you have any problems on the roads just yet?
So far, it's moving along pretty well out there this morning. This is a look at